have two of these Aqua Power inline whole house water heaters for sale. Aqua Power is just kind of the label they stick on it. So the actual, it's made in Germany. The actual maker and model number is here. A Tempra 20B. The power is a 19.2 kW for 240 volts and 0.262 gallons. And both of these should be the same. Yeah, this was in a house probably of about, I don't know, 2,500 square feet. Both of these units. And it was working when it was taken out. These probably sell on eBay for $200 for parts. And that's the date of install, not the date of uninstall. So I guess these were made in 2015. But on eBay in working condition, probably $400. Brand new, these were probably $600, $700 a piece.